This video is how to make a skin cell slide from your own skin. What you're going to need is a slide, a plastic slip cover, some tape, and your skin. I will have the methyl blue indicator that we will use as the dye. So when you get to that point in the lab, you're going to raise your hand and I will give you some of this. All right, so what do you do? First thing you need to do is you need to take the tape and you need to pull off about an inch or so. Let's see, about there. Now, notice I have it on my finger like this. I don't want to touch anything in the center because that's where the skin cells are going to go. What you're going to do is you're going to take it off your finger, again, holding it on the edge, and you're going to put it on the inside of your wrist and press down. This is to collect the skin cells. Then what you will do is you will peel it off. And once you have that, then you can raise your hand and let me know that you're ready. All right, the next thing is going to be that you're going to need your slip cover. And when I come over to your table, I'm going to use the methyl blue and I'm going to put just a little bit onto the slide. It's not going to look like a lot. It's going to look like this. And then what you will do is that you will take the piece of tape and you will put it over top of the blue indicator. So I'm going to do like this. I'm going to take each side and you want to put the tape so that there's a little bit of tape on either side of the plastic cover and that the blue is in the center. Now the little pieces that are hanging over, that's going to help secure your sample of skin cells onto the slide. So what you'll do is then you will take the side that is the sticky side and you will press it down onto the slide, only touching the sides like this. So now it's all one piece, like this. So now it's not going to fall out. Then you will use your expert microscope skills to focus in on your skin cells. So right here I have my microscope already set. So I have it at the lowest objective. I have the stage all the way down, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light. And I'm going to look at my skin cells. So, hope this helps you be successful in this lab.